Welcome back to Potted Living, this show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your patio, balcony, or other small space. And today I wanted to show you my Meyer lemon. I'm here in Canada growing citrus, and this is one of my favorite citrus to grow because it's actually not that difficult to grow. It needs slightly acidic soil, well draining, in a pot like I use. Again, check out my video on how to avoid root rot with my special pot trick. But yeah, really simple. Like soil, decent amount of good fertilizer for citrus trees, and then a warm spot so you can get it inside the house under a grow light, and definitely on a heat mat. I'm going to teach you about that this winter. But either way, this thing will grow and thrive throughout the winter, and I'm just going to show you very quickly. Oh, it's wonderful. We got some flowers started here. There's some new buds starting on the top there. I love it. Honestly, this plant is in all different kinds of stage of growth, because if we go all the way down here, you're going to see my Meyer lemons. Now, they are fairly sour, somewhat sweet. In the summer, they're a little bit sweeter. In the winter, I found them quite tart, but still very delicious. My wife doesn't like them as much as I do, but I think they're really nice. Oh, and just come down here. You can see I've got all kinds of Meyer lemons growing all over this plant. Really wonderful, beautiful leaves. It's going to start up some new growth. I think there's some new growth somewhere up here. Yeah, look at the top of that. It's even got its new leaf growing. Really, honestly, a wonderful plant you can grow in any region as long as you can keep it from freezing in the wintertime. I'm going to come back and update you as this plant grows. I'm going to give you some tips on growing Meyer lemons, so stay tuned to my future videos. But for right now, I just wanted to show you my beautiful Meyer lemon.